Welcome, and thank you for expressing your interest in a pre-engineered, high-quality Barn Pros barn. Located in the foothills of the Cascade Mountain Range, just north of Seattle, Washington, Barn Pros has established a reputation as the leading provider of barn packages in the Pacific Northwest. Today, you will find our beautiful barns across the country and around the world, from California to New York City and from Japan to Italy. I'd like to introduce our owners, with a combined experience of over 50 years in the industry. Jeff Knoth and Steve Osland have adapted their admiration of traditional European architecture and combined it with a balance of practicality and value, providing a trouble-free construction experience at a reasonable cost and resulting in a traditional wood barn of the highest quality. This same quality is the first thing that will be noticed upon delivery and becomes even more apparent with time. The very foundation of our company is an unshakable commitment to excellence, and it shows. From our design team, to our craftsmanship, to our complete customer service, and the barn building industry's best warranty. This is why we invite you with confidence to consider Barn Pros for your equestrian housing needs. The common thread that connects us to our broad client base is the love of a unique, traditional, all-wood American horse barn. Barn Pros is dedicated to meeting your specific building requirements. Beginning at the drawing table, your barn's evolution, from the original concept to the final construction, is strictly maintained throughout the process. The design concept is carried to completion with a close attention to details which becomes so apparent in the finished product. When determining your barn's design, our experience has taught us to address a variety of concerns, including zoning, environmental elements, usage and size, and of course the health and safety of your animals. Utilizing our in-house engineers, Barn Pros barns are designed to meet those needs. With more than 60 pre-engineered packages to select from, flexibility in floor plan designs, and a sensitivity to options and upgrades for specific functions, Barn Pros will work with you during your project, keeping overhead costs low while providing affordable quality design services. While we offer an extensive line of traditional horse barns, we have also created barns for special applications. Our all-wood barns have been used for garages, shops, RV storage, and stunning timber frame barn homes. One very popular option is an apartment conversion package available in many of our models. You provide Barn Pros the direction of your barn's purpose, and we can provide a post-frame, timber-style structure built to provide for that purpose and to last for generations to come. Ultimately, our customers want to know, from conception to completion, how their barn can become a reality. The process begins with your individually engineered blueprints. Your barn's construction, from the initial design, permitting, site preparation specs, and ultimately your finished product, will be facilitated through our streamlined process. Let us show you how. This means attention to detail. So many details. Sometimes they're visible, many times they're not. The customers who partner with us depend on our acute awareness of each and every one of these details. This discriminating attention to the critical points of each project helps to set us apart. Many of these critical points involve safety. Safety is of the utmost importance when housing an animal that naturally runs free. At Barn Pros, we have paired our knowledge of equines with our construction backgrounds to thoroughly integrate safety from concept to construction. Our all-wood barns breathe better, thanks to fully functional cupolas that aid in ventilation. Heavy-duty chew protection on all exposed corners and edges is inclusive to every barn's plan. Our spacious stall design is thoughtful of a horse's hooves and legs, with thick rubber concussion-safe stall mats and strong sidewalls. And with snag-free hardware and latches and doors that open wide, your horse will move about confidently, and so will you. Now, every Barn Pros package includes a full lumber parcel, inclusive of all components to build your barn, except concrete, nails, and roofing material. The barn roof is sheeted and ready to be finished any way you like. This allows you flexibility to source certain items locally, giving you options in the selection of colors and the final finished look. Our packages also include many components that require little or no effort on your part. For example, our pre-built door packages are assembled, glued, screwed, sanded, and ready to install. The stall fronts themselves are ready to be put into place. The fully functional cedar cupolas are pre-constructed, and the stair package and exterior wall tongue and groove siding are pre-cut. So here are the items that are included when your package is shipped from our facility. We'll start with the pre-assembled pieces. This list includes your pre-built doors, from the hayloft doors to the breezeway doors, the Dutch doors, and the doors for your tack room. It also includes your pre-manufactured stall fronts, hand-built cedar cupolas, pre-cut stairs, your pre-built dormer components with windows, pre-built timber truss, and cedar trim packages. Next, let's list the rest of the material. This will include your complete lumber parcel, all necessary hardware, the rubber stall mats and the appropriate paperwork, including your master shipping list, 5 sets of engineered working blueprints, an engineering packet with wind and snow load calculations, and a concise procedure guide with installation instructions and illustrations. Imagine the possibility of building your own barn. 50% of our customers actually assemble their own product. With our step-by-step instruction guide and engineered blueprints, the construction process is seamless for anyone with basic construction experience. However, you are free to hire your own contractor to assemble your barn or take advantage of our nationwide network of referral and support professionals, currently available in 46 states. Remember, we are here to help long after your purchase is complete. Every step of the manufacturing process is critical: design, materials, construction, and integration. Our commitment to high-quality production is one of the reasons that our customers trust us with their business. In turn, their trust motivates us to continuously search for ways to improve the BarnPros Barns experience. We tailor our services around a very simple premise: our word is our business. When we commit to our customers, they can count on us to keep our promise. To fulfill this, we have a team that is uniquely qualified to meet the challenges of the most discriminating customers, and a system that allows them to serve efficiently and effectively. After your barn is pre-constructed, one of the most important steps in our process is delivery of your package. From the time your BarnPros barn undergoes final inspection, is wrapped, strapped, and loaded on a semi-truck, to the time you have it safely unloaded at your location, a coordinated team effort is involved. Our staff is dedicated to ensuring that your package is loaded properly and the components list is double-checked for accuracy. During the transportation process, the security and protection of your BarnPros package is our #1 concern. By contracting with trucking company vendors who have an alliance with BarnPros, we keep your shipping costs more affordable, and you can be assured of an unmatched continuity of product distribution and that your barn will arrive safely at its final destination. The end result is a beautiful addition to your property that inspires pride and ownership. Our success is due to the integrity of our company, the quality, longevity, and safety of our product, and the commitment of excellence in our service. But ultimately, it is our customers who make us who we are. We'd love to hear your feedback. If there is ever an issue of quality, craftsmanship, or materials, we will make it right. When you consider past projects with professional rodeo circuit bronc riding Josie Young, or New York City's Staten Island Zoo Draft Horse Barn, Olympic-level competitors, trainers, breeders, and vets, from commercial applications to recreational use, you can be assured of the integrity of your new BarnPros barn. Perhaps you might consider our partnership with Dover Saddlery, with a whole line of barns and buildings designed to match their desire to represent excellence. And finally, please consider our untarnished record with the Better Business Bureau. Today's barn has evolved from the ethnic and regional influences of many groups. A melting pot of construction practices, style, and design have resulted in a barn rich in tradition and fresh in American ideas and ingenuity. A BarnPros barn. Our goal at BarnPros is to provide the finest equestrian building available today. In the equestrian world, reputation is everything. Our equine knowledge is drawn from experience in the real horse world. We are horse people, and we know what it takes to provide a safe, durable, beautiful product. We stand behind our product with a written limited lifetime warranty. Our client base includes private individuals, trade professionals, businesses, and corporations. No project is considered too large or too small. We are always as close as a phone call away. BarnPros, our barns, simply put, are the best available.